Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maya, and I'm in the airport heading home from my little mini vacation. I'm hungry now. Can't wait to get something to eat. Yeah, it's been a busy day. So I'm in the Fort Lauderdale International Airport, and I'm heading home. Girl, tired. I'm hungry. To get something to eat.
No, you know that.
Oh my god. We are going to Hudson. I don't know where the food court is. I have to ask questions. Let me ask where the food court is. Excuse me. Where's the food court in this airport? The food court?
We don't really have a food court. Every gate has their own.
Oh, you don't really have a food court? Okay. Alright, thank you. They don't really have a food court. The gates have places where they sell meals.
Gates?
The gates, yeah. Guys, I'm looking for the food because the lady said every gate have their own stuff, but I want something to eat, like nice something, because I'm not ready to board as yet. Yeah, you know, somebody that look for that store your Mac, but it closed. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Margaritaville. This is Margaritaville. Wonder what them have over there to eat. Cause me want some real food. Cause I'm a foodie. I like food. Bar. Let's check it out. Oh, this is maybe like a tourist. I wonder how expensive them be. Can we know some Margaritaville always? Yeah, but what airport expensive differently? Because when you're in an airport, oh yeah, go back or turn back.
You want to turn back?
24 man.
Please do not leave luggage unattended. Unattended luggage will be taken back. Your safety is our business. Please help us help you if you see.
Guys, I'm going down the step because I don't like the escalators. I'm afraid of them. Bad. The last time I go on one of them, my shoes lace got stuck. But from that, we're just afraid. I feel like I don't eat taco. I like taco. Yeah. One taco place just a truck. Like taco. There's someone bar over there. Airport a funny door. There's not a lot of place that has food. Also, everywhere have food. Have Chick-fil-A, everything what I like. Them have also. Then mostly they sell coffee. I mean, I like coffee. Starbucks and them something. I don't really like Starbucks. I'm at a place called Shula Burger. Wonder what kind of burger they sell, because Chicken?
Sea salt.
Okay. Now let's try it. Let's try it out and see. So guys, I'm in the line to order. Yeah. Order my burger and fries. Because I have to eat because I'm hungry. Starving. So I'm gonna get the chicken sando, chipotle mayo, cheese, onion and tomato. No salt on my fries. I don't want no salt. I don't like salt. Yes. Salt give me headache, so cut it. Yeah. But I don't like it. Hello. Can we have 3 chicken burgers and 3 fries, no salt?
Sorry?
3 chicken burger.
We don't want chicken for the moment.
We don't have that for the moment. Alright. Should go check.
These are cheese fries no salt. So cheese fry one without salt.
Oh, you want one of those salt?
That's why you say I want no salt on your own.
Have
51.77.
51?
51. 51.
Yeah, got it down.
Just three chicken, 3 fries. And just 2.
Yeah. How long do I have to wait?
10.
10 minutes? Okay.
You wait in line right here.
Right here. That nice, Emma.
Estoy aquí esperando a que salgamos por Southwest. No, salada no. Vamos acá, somos demasiado. Sí, eso suena bien. Sí, suena muy bien. Listo, pues. Gracias, madre. Entonces vamos a hacer muchas cosas. Que mañana desayunamos también. ¿Aló?
Hey guys, I'm back home from Florida and I bring some goodies with me back to Maryland. Yes, so you know, once we see with Jamaican snacks, anywhere we're there, we'll have to buy them. So I have my breadfruit chips here, but I never eat this one before, nor see it. So this is the breadfruit chips I bring back with me, and I bought two of them. Yep. I don't remember the price for them, but I just grabbed them, and it sells in Walmart. Yep. So 2 breadfruit chips, and it's a Saint Mary. St. Mary breadfruit chips. Yep, yep, yep. And I bought a dozen of these banana chips. Everybody in Jamaica love these banana chips. Everybody from your Jamaican, you're going to love these. So anywhere we're going to see them, we are going to buy them. It's our thing. We are eat this from where I go to primary school. So anywhere we're going to see it, we not leave it come home. So I got a dozen of these banana chips. St. Mary's banana chips. And it's the original. Yeah, it's the original. Yep, so I got a dozen of these. I'm gonna let them serve me for I don't know, but I want to serve me a long time because I don't know when I get no more of this. But good old St. Mary banana chips. Yeah. These are my little snacks that I bring up from Florida. Yep. Everybody, once you're true Jamaican, you not leave out your St. Mary's banana chips. Yeah, and I got a Shirley biscuit down there. I got two, but I eat one. I got a vanilla, and this is a chocolate Shirley biscuit. Let me get this. So I'm just bring it home. Good old Shirley biscuit. Everybody a Jamaican know about Shirley biscuit. Real Jamaican, you love a Shirley biscuit, them, yes. So I'm gonna bring this Shirley biscuit here. Yeah. And I got 2 tins of tasty cheese. Them liquor, but it's okay for me. Yes. See there? 2 tins of tasty cheese. So after I open it now, I have to put it into the fridge. 2 tins of cheese. Them liquor, but it's fine for me. Yes. Cheese. Everybody grew up on cheese at Jamaica. Sometimes we used to buy them tie out in the bag and then price them at the supermarket. Yes, then price them. You just take up a price what you want, a little bag of cheese. And when you go to school too, people them over the school to sell it, and we just buy what we can afford. We love cheese because we eat bull and cheese, bread and cheese, bun and cheese. You know what Jamaican people them do them stuff. If you're a real Jamaican, you know me attack. Yes, guys, I'm gonna get this Jamaica country style fruit bun. Yep. Yes, and you have a little Dr. Bird right up here, so right here, so yes, so and it's a JCS Jamaica country style. It look like it's juicy. Looking at it, it look juicy. So I'm gonna eat it with the cheese, sandwich it, and squeeze it up. You know, we're Jamaican, we squeeze up with bun and we put cheese in it and squeeze it up. That's how I'm gonna do it. And drink with a glass of milk. Yeah. Oh, I bought a dozen supplegen. I bought the peanut. Yeah. The peanut supplegen is long time. Me not see supplegen. Long time. It doesn't sell in my area where I live in Maryland. So when I went to Fort Lauderdale, I saw it. I was excited. I bought a dozen of these. No, not a dozen peanut. I mix them up. I mix up the flavors. So and I bought this one. It's the cookie and cream. I never see this one before. This one is a cookie and cream. So I buy this one. Yep. Anywhere you're going in the world and you see Jamaican stuff, once you don't have it where you live, you're gonna buy it. Because you're Jamaican. That 1 year, I'm used to this. I always say that 1 year with the Jamaica in the bigger tin, and they start to come in these little tin. Yes, I'm gonna buy this too. Here. So I'm gonna drink supplegen and I'm gonna mix up like with one Guinness or maybe one carrot juice, blend up. But I don't know how long them are gonna serve me, but I want them serve me long because you know I'm gonna see it again. Maybe I go ask to send up from Florida, come give me. And Everybody know about the bun here, spice bun. We always have this at Jamaica. Eat it with cheese. This always in a supermarket down there. So this is what I bring back. It looks different from the one here. Yeah. Spice bun. And this is a bigger fruit bun for this one. Yeah, for this one. So I bought this one. Where am I buy the one here again? I know Walmart. I don't remember. I think I know Walmart I buy this. Yes. So you can see all of the nice fruits them into it. Yep. Yeah. Can't wait to eat. Dig into this. I don't know how long it's gonna serve me as I say. But I want them serve me as long as ever. Why? And I buy bulla. And this is the plain bulla. The plain bulla, and it's 3 coming there. I don't know if them taste good, but if they don't taste good, I still gonna eat them because of our culture. We like bulla. And them big. The 3 bulla into this. When I in Jamaica, sometimes I always go shop and buy 1 bulla. Yeah. Come back on, eat, and you drink 1 bag juice and you're good again. This is a ginger bulla. The one here ginger. So I try to mix them up. I don't buy all of them the same. So this one is a ginger bulla. And all of them make the same bakery. This one is a 5-star bakery. And a 3 coming to it pack. 3. They make a lot of their legs. 3. And this one is this one must taste good. This one is the coconut bulla. And how much coming at this? 2. 2 coming at this. So them package them different. So the coconut one, a 2 coming at a pack. 2. I don't know why it wasn't 3. It's a 2 coming at a pack. 2 coconut bulla. Yes, so I'm excited to eat them with my cheese. And I bought these ginger tea. I bought 4 packs of ginger tea and I just threw them out into a Ziploc bag. Yes, so I always like ginger tea. And this is the instant. You just pour it out into the cup and put the water on it, and you just mix around and you're good to go. And it's the same brand. It's the Reggae Country style brand. Yeah, ginger tea. So I'm gonna have this in the morning or in the night or whenever. As me say, I want them serve me long. Yes. So these are everything that I bring with me from Florida. And I decided to show you all the stuff that I bring. When I go down there in the supermarket and I see the things, I get excited because here where I live, you see Jamaican stuff, but not like down there. Not like down there. Yes, guys. So I'm just excited to bring them something here with me and just taste some of the things that I never taste in a long while. So as you can see, everything on the counter what I bring back. Yes, my supper jam, my tea, my Shirley biscuit, my bun, my cheese, my every little thing, snacky. Yes. So guys, please remember to like up the video, give this video a thumbs up, share them, tell a friend that Maya is here, and please remember to turn the post notification on so whenever I post a video you will be notified. You don't want to be left out, all right? Because some people asking me that you post video and I don't see your post. I say because you don't turn your notification on. So just go right ahead and turn the notification on so whenever I post you will be notified. All right guys, so please continue to share. Thanks to my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love that you have given to me. Yes, guys, and I'm heading on to 200 subscribers. Big up on yourself. Thanks. And I will be posting more videos. So guys, please like them when I post them and share them. All right, and just be safe. Wear your mask. Love you guys. Peace out. Sorry, some I could share some of them here. We don't know, but I just like go. Love you. Bye.